Hi SheerLuxe and welcome to the SheerLuxe Beauty School. My name is Chloe Swift. I'm a professional hairstylist and haircare expert, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use a hot brush, so let's get into it. So the tool of choice that I'm going to be using today for our tutorial is the brand new Shark Flex Fusion. So this actually styles damp and dry hair, but I'm going to use it to style dry hair today. So I'm just going to knock it into the dry styling mode only. And then whilst my brush is heating up, I'm just gonna section my hair. So I'll talk to you a little bit about how I like to section hair and a really good sectioning technique. So first of all, I'll just take my index fingers, and I always think the top of your ear is a really great starting point for your first section. So I'll just run my index fingers along the back of my head until they meet at the back. And that is gonna be your first section, and we're just literally gonna twist this up and then out of the way and clip it up. So I like to bring everything forward so I can actually see what I'm doing in the mirror, and yeah, you're just reaching around and styling everything from the front in your mirror. And then product prep, before I go in and do any hairstyling, you always want to make sure you're protecting your hair from heat. So this product that I absolutely love and I use all the time, this is the Maria Neela Shaping Heat Spray. So it contains your heat protection, but it also does contain a little bit of a hold factor. So it's going to ensure your waves and your curls are actually holding and staying put. So first way that I love to use a hot brush is holding it vertically, and this way you're going to retain a lot more length with your waves. So just pop the brush behind the hair, and straight away at the root, you want to get that full wrap and full rotation in. And then we just want to glide down the hair, and slightly, you're kind of wrapping it back up as well as you're gliding it down, and then twisting it underneath as well. So gliding down, wrap it back up, twist underneath, glide it down, and you're just repeating this until you reach the ends of your hair, but you're left with that lovely, loose, bouncy wave that kind of looks like that Luxe expensive blow dry. And then I'm literally just gonna repeat the exact same technique on this opposite side. So brush behind the hair, get that one full wrap and full rotation in, and then you're just gliding down a little bit, wrapping back up, and then unhooking underneath. So as you can see with my hair, it is pretty smooth as a starting point. I would always recommend blow drying it smooth to start with. So I washed my hair this morning, I blow dried it fairly smooth. And that's just ensuring kind of the cuticles lying flat, you've already got some shine to the hair. And then the hot brush is really just putting then the wave shape into the hair. And another tip I definitely recommend when you are using a hot brush, make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled beforehand, because otherwise it's just going to be quite tuggy when you're pulling through with your hot brush. And then another technique that I love to do with a hot brush, if you want to see a little bit more of a defined curl, I'll hold it on top of the hair, putting it into the hair kind of like diagonally, and then I'm going to glide that down, and you're twisting and rotating the brush as you're gliding it down and out of the hair. And yeah, I just find this gets a more defined curl result. And then probably one of the best parts about having a hot brush is getting the volume in at the root. So I'll show you how to do that. So especially with these top sections, you want to come up and in horizontally with your hot brush. So just pop that hot brush right behind that section of hair. Again, one full rotation around the barrel. And then you want to be kind of over directing forwards, and this creates a bit more root lift in the hair. Glide it all the way down to the ends, wrap it back up, wait just for a few little seconds, and then you want to grab the roots and then twist the brush out of the hair. And there we have our root lift. And then front sections, you can choose to take your hot brush and go forwards onto your face, especially if you've got bangs. This is a really nice technique, but I'm going to take my long layers at the front and go in with this diagonal technique just to create a nice kind of curl definition around the face. And then to finish, I love using a very lightweight hairspray. I think myself and most hairstylists will love a light hairspray over a super heavy one because you can just kind of layer it more and it's more flexible. So I'm just gonna go through, pinch the hair and kind of pull it in the shape that I want and mist this light hairspray throughout. And there we go, we have loose, bouncy, luxurious waves. Good luck trying with your hot brush.